Hey guys, and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete the previous chats on Gemini AI. Now let's begin. If you have not already, do sign up to your Gemini account. You can go to Gemini by following the website gemini.google.com. Well, as you can see, I have already signed in, and right here I have these two chats right now. For instance, I want to delete this Hi Gemini chat. So here's something we can do about it. If I simply hover over this chat and press these three icons that I will find on the rightmost section, let's click on it. Now I have been given three options. I can either pin it, rename it, or delete. Now since I want to delete it, let's simply click on delete and give our confirmation. And there you have it guys, you have successfully deleted your previous Gemini chats. That's it for the video guys, hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.